it's me again, your lovely Yumi. For today's video, I will show you guys how I make this very simple cute lips. If you guys are interested to learn on how I make this very cute lips in here, then you should subscribe and press the like button under there. Anyways, we should not waste any time and let's start. Now enjoy. So we are gonna use pencil graphite first. So yeah, what I did is I blur it a bit. Now use airbrush, normal. Anyways, I'm giving this girl, Elise, a shout out for being active and very supportive on me. Thank you. Now shade it a light color in each sides. After that, put a dark color in the middle. I am still using airbrush normal. Now use pencil graphite again. As you can see, the thickness of my pen is 1.3. Now just add details and use the pen soft. Now here's all the layers I use. It's more like 5 layers only. Now that's all for today's video and I hope you have enjoyed watching it.